over the last while, core services, we have a mandate to make it easier to integrate different Ivanti system to really make Ivanti the IT solution for your IT organization. And for October, we are taking another step towards that goal. And this time, we try to answer the question is, what happens if we are able to correlate to join data set from different Ivanti tools, say from ITSM and from our Neurons platform, and see how what new insight we can find from overlaying those data set. In October, we're going to be able to do that for the first time. So for example, what you see here is a new landing page called Portfolio landing page. This will be available for customer with more than one system. So in this particular case, for customer with ITSM and your Neurons platform. And this is not replacing your existing Neurons landing page. So this is really important. This is not replacing your existing Neurons landing page yet. This is experience above and beyond your existing landing page experience. So if you log on, if you have multiple products, you log on, this is the first thing you see. And here as an example, this is what I say when you're able to join our data from different Ivanti systems. So we have, in this particular example, we are talking about growth, how your incident growth information from ITSM relative your growth in your devices and number of people. Idea is, as an IT organization, we want to be more efficient. We want to be transforming ourselves. Want to shift left. The idea is this chart will show you. The idea is your growth of new incident. If they are slower than the growth of people or devices, that means your company is growing. You have more people. They have more devices, but your organization is getting more efficient, and as a result, a lot of those issues are able to be shift left and not landed up as an incident. And this is what we want to see. And for the first time, we're able to see if that's the case when we correlate the data set into one view. And we also have, for this portfolio landing page, for the first release, we are targeting two personas. We're targeting the executive persona, and we're also targeting the manager persona. And for the manager persona, specifically, we're targeting the IT service, the service desk manager persona. So we will have charts that are targeting that persona. And the last, but definitely not the least, is yes, we have data visualization. We have data visualization that ties data sets together. But not only that, our focus here is about actionability. This is going to be the landing page that are going to be most focused on actionability. As a result, we have something called the statement tiles that we calculate key insight and present to you in a statement. So a busy manager, busy executive like yourself, when you log on, you have the item that needs your attention right away, and you can see them right away.